let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I just finished at the gym. I hit a pull day, so I did back and bicep. First time doing it in 2 weeks, and honestly, my elbows started, if you've been following, I've been having elbow pain, but it started to like flare up again. So I just had a very short and sweet workout. I think I did 4 back exercises, 1 bicep exercise, but my workout felt really good despite that. I am just gonna head home now. This video, I think I'm gonna take you guys through a what I eat in a day video. I know eating during the holidays can feel very overwhelming, especially if you're on a fitness journey or if you're tracking macros or that kind of stuff, or if you're in the middle of a cut. Whatever it is, I know December can be very hard, and I hope this video just reminds you that enjoy the food, enjoy your time, make memories. The best way, honestly, to think about it is how many days are you going to be eating, you know, the Christmas food or going to events or parties or whatever. Let's just say, for the sake of example, you know, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, New Year's Eve, maybe New Year's Day. So let's say like 5 out of 365. I know in a year there's other occasions like birthdays and stuff, but the amount of days that you're gonna just enjoy things like Christmas, which only happens 1 time of year, will not ruin your progress from 6 months or a year from now. So yes, try and do things to stay on track. Try and get your protein in early in the day. If you are going out to like a Christmas dinner or party or something like that, try to get your steps in early. Make sure you're hydrating with water, those kinds of things. So that's my little spiel. I just want you guys to know that you can enjoy Christmas and you can enjoy the events and the holidays while still being on a fitness journey. This morning I had protein oatmeal before the gym. I'm starving, so I want to get home and I will show you guys what I'm having. So I just warmed this up. I actually meal prepped this yesterday, so I have like 1.5 servings of jasmine rice on the bottom. I have 1 serving of chicken, and then I made some green beans, peas, and carrots. I felt really good eating it, so I made it again this week. For some reason, I wasn't super thirsty at the gym, so I didn't finish my water, so I'm gonna finish that, and then I'm gonna refill it with like regular water, because this has my intra-workout mango pineapple EAAs as well as my creatine, so I want to finish it. And of course this little guy's here because I got that. He wants the food, right? You already had your food today. You have to wait till later tonight for dinner. Yeah. I ate my lunch that I showed you guys. I did a body shower, and then I walked Kobe, and I had 2 packages for me at security, so I just picked them up. First one is from Lift and Conquer. Alan actually bought this for me for Christmas, but I obviously know what it is because I picked it. It's just honestly crew socks. I needed some new ones. And then I got my FabFitFun box, so I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what's inside. I'm gonna start with the Lift and Conquer just because it's smaller and I know what it is. So you guys have always seen me wear these, especially to the gym. They're my favorite freaking socks. They are basically just crew socks. One of them says Lift on both sides as well as on the bottom, and then the right one says Conquer on both sides and then again on the bottom. I bought 2 pairs. Well, technically Alan bought 2 pairs of the white ones for me, and then he also bought 2 pairs of the black ones for me. They were on sale for Black Friday, so we figured I need them. I wear them pretty much every day when I go to the gym, and the ones that I have right now are pretty worn out. Like, it is on the brink of getting a hole in it. I swear to God, it is literally holding on by like 1 or 2 more threads. I actually have never had the black pair, but I've been wearing a lot of black socks lately, just like random ones that I have with my black high top Converse. So I figured I might as well get the black Lift and Conquer socks. Now I'm gonna open the FabFitFun box. So this is the winter edition. So it is the last box of the year. As always, it comes with the FabFitFun magazine. The first thing that I see at the top of the box are these slippers. So these are Chinese Laundry Los Angeles slippers. I'm gonna open them up. They are basically a brown, like a very light brown color with a tan, beigey like fur. I'm pretty sure this was a customization because I remember picking a size, so I got the medium large. It actually matches what I'm wearing right now. That's so funny, but that is what they look like and they fit perfectly, so super hyped about that. Next, I got the Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask. This says it lifts, illuminates, and rejuvenates. It's basically just a face mask, but it says to use twice weekly for optimal results. The color of the packaging is a little bit weird. It's like an off gold color. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it looks like it has like green hues to it. I don't know, it's a little bit odd. I have no idea what this is, so they must have thrown this in. The Baby Freoz, I don't know if that's how you say it, Mini Icy Globe. Stimulates blood circulation, helps depuff the face and eye area. This is so pretty. It's like these little, it reminds me like test tubes or something like in science class. Comes with 2 of these. It's like half full and it's like purple with purple sparkles in it. That's pretty cool. But it also has like this little card for instructions and it tells you facial sculpting and depuffing techniques. So basically like how to use it. It actually says to put it in the refrigerator 15 minutes before use and then it's ready. That's kind of cool. Maybe I'll try this tomorrow with my ice roller. I don't know. I also got this collagen serum. I think I've got this before, but maybe not. But basically, after cleansing, you gently massage this on your face. I know collagen's really good because it's like a protein. It basically rejuvenates like dead cells and it just makes everything like fresh and good again. I believe this is the second last item. I'm pretty sure I picked this if I remember correctly, but it is a mini humidifier. I have actually never had one before, and since I live in a condo, I felt like a mini version would be suitable because I've seen humidifiers before and they're like this big and I don't have anywhere to put it here. But it's really nice because it does illuminate the room because it does have a light, so you can just do like a basic soft white light, or it also has a rainbow glow, so that's pretty cool. And it's just powered with a USB, so I can just plug it in and use it. And then last but not least, what is this? Oh, okay, this was actually a customization for sure. I remember this. This is actually a car organizer. Let me just open this up. First of all, I love the color. I'm so into green and it's such a wintry color. This is cool, okay? So you could put this in your trunk and then you just package or place in the things that you need. This is by Mia Mika or Mi Amika. I'm not sure which way you pronounce it, but honestly, it feels really good. The bottom has Velcro, so it should stick to like the trunk. I am gonna go put all of these things away, and then I think I'm gonna have a snack, honestly, because although I had that big chicken rice vegetable thing, I'm feeling just a tiny bit hungry. Okay, so it's 12:30. Gonna have my snack, which is gonna be a chocolate protein shake. I love this. I talk about it in so many vlogs. Fairlife protein chocolate shake. It has 30 grams of protein, which is amazing. I love that I'm wearing these colors, like this brown sports bra, the beige track pants. It matches the drink. And then I have the new slippers that match. Everything just matches. What was that? Look at his tail go. Oh my god. Look at the tail. One thing though is you really need to shake these. Just like a protein shake, I find like if you don't shake it, there is like a little bit of buildup, which is not a huge deal, but just something to be wary of. They're so good. It literally tastes like chocolate milk. I love it. But I kind of wanted to quickly go over something that I touched upon in the intro of this video, and it's just like how you deal with the holidays, because like I said, I know it's very overwhelming and very consuming. One thing that's super important, I feel like, to get across to my clients, to, you know, people that follow me, and to you guys that are watching, is that you don't need to work for your food. That's a really bad and just negative mindset that I find a lot of people have, and they feel like, oh, because I went out for Christmas dinner, or I had a piece of pie, or I had a Christmas cookie, that they need to go to the gym for like an hour longer to like burn it off. And I'm here to tell you that is not the case. Like I said earlier, Christmas happens once a year. Once a year. So just enjoy yourself, but don't go overboard, right? This is where kind of like discipline and just the idea of moderation and balance comes in. You know, if you can go to a Christmas dinner and have like 50 Christmas cookies, that's a little bit overboard maybe. And I say overboard just because that 50 cookies. That could have been like protein or just like whole foods that you could have had in replacement. So maybe have 5 cookies or whatever it is. Usually when you overeat in like sweets and stuff, that's because you're not getting enough of something else. You're not getting enough protein, you're not getting enough carbs, you're not getting enough fats. So just take those things into consideration. One really good tool I find is just visualizing your plate. So say you're going to a family Christmas party or dinner, have a quarter of your plate is protein, a quarter of your plate is carbs, and half the plate as like fruits and vegetables. And I think that's a really good visualization and just kind of like a standard or guideline. Guideline is probably a better word, but a guideline to have just to make sure you're eating enough like macronutrients, micronutrients, and then go for the dessert. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I'm gonna finish this and I will catch you guys at my next meal. I need to upload a YouTube video, so while I do that, I'm gonna have a banana, then I'm gonna quickly run to Walmart. Oh my god, if I could get this off. As I was saying, I'm gonna quickly run to Walmart. I need to get a few things and then I'm gonna make dinner. I swear to God, I went to the grocery store with 4 things on my list and I came back with all of these things. Way more things than I planned on getting, but that's what always happens. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what I got. Crispy chicken spring rolls. I freaking love these. By the way, I got all of this just from Walmart. I can't remember if I said that or not, but unsalted butter, lactose-free cream cheese, this banana jello. I'm gonna use this for baking things. I bought these mini dinner rolls and I got toast bread. This is what I needed for tonight, but lean ground beef. We're gonna be making tacos. A beef lasagna, I'm gonna have this for dinner tomorrow. Vanilla protein powder, this is gonna be for baking. Marshmallows for baking. I needed freezer bags. I also needed Kraft dinner. They were 4 for $5, so I bought 4. Bought these tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them in half and put them on my tacos, and then milk chocolate chips. Finished product on my tacos, so I'm having 2 wraps. So these are just from Tortilla Dempster's. I have sour cream cheese, the ground beef, and then I just threw on some tomatoes. Okay, not gonna lie, a little disappointed. I wanted to have yogurt with granola and blueberries. Like, I already took it out. I took out my scale with my spoon and my bowl and everything, and I took my yogurt out, and I don't have enough, and I don't know how I didn't remember that because I literally went to the grocery store earlier. I'm so annoyed that I'm gonna have to go to Walmart tomorrow, but it's fine. So for my late night snack, it is 9:45 right now. I really wanted that yogurt parfait thing I wanted to make, but instead I'm still gonna have some blueberries. We bought these marble mini loaf cakes. Alan's ate them so far. I haven't had one, so I guess I'm just gonna have one of these. Honestly, I wish you could smell it. It smells divine. So this is my late night snack. Very random, but oh well. And I think that is all for today because after this I'm not gonna be hungry and I'm probably gonna get myself into bed because I'm quite tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to me down below if you haven't already. Vlogmas has been so much fun, but Christmas is getting closer, so I'm getting a little bit more excited. If you guys want to see more Vlogmas videos, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you do like them, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Good night.